can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin render. Render over the last 1 month is down 12.2%. Render over the last 1 year is down 62.9%. The last 1 week has seen render bounce up by 2.7%. In this video, we'll take a look at render's valuation against the US dollar. Is render gearing up for one big pump to send to the moon? How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll also look at render's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, render's performance against Ethereum, and finally we'll look at render's market cap, which sits around the $1.99 billion level. How high can we possibly go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Render token has had its own good times and bad times. We've seen Render token pump aggressively to the moon. But guys, we've also seen it dump aggressively in the bear market. So we have to be careful. Are we in a bull market or in a bear market? I believe we're in the ending phases of a crypto bear market, of a crypto bull market. We've seen Render pump since June of 2020. That rally ended in 2021. Render rallied up by more than 23,000%. 23,000% pump, guys, meant Render, $1,000 invested in Render in June of 2020 would have given you more than $230,000 by November of 2021. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile that way. You could get big gains. At the same time, you can make huge losses if you buy at the wrong time, because we saw Render token from November of 2021 dumping aggressively into June of 2022, losing 96% of its value. And that's a regular occurrence in the altcoin market. Altcoins are known to be very volatile. They are known to dump aggressively to gobbling down in a bear market. Since 2022, the cryptocurrency market entered a bear phase, and early 2023, we started entering another new bull cycle. And this time around, we saw Render token rallying aggressively, straight to as high as $12. We saw Render token pumping to new all-time highs, and by the 11th of March 2024, Render token had rallied up by over 3,000%. And we are seeing Render token set new all-time highs. Market participants were very bullish, expecting higher prices, but market participants always get over bullish at the top, they get over bearish at the bottom, and we saw Render token taking a dive since the 11th of March 2024. Render token has started dumping from $13. We saw Render token had a huge crash, this time an 80% dump back to $2.5. It took 392 days. You can easily call it a bear market. The previous bear market also saw Render token dumping for over 300 plus days. But since when Render token set that new all-time highs, we have spent almost 400 days. And right now, I believe Render token will make an attempt for that new all-time highs. We saw an attempt to pump in December of 2024. Render token got to as high as $10. We couldn't pass that resistance level. The $10 level held us back in May of 2024. It held us back in December of 2024. I will not be shocked if in 2025 the $10 level proves to be difficult. We'll rally towards $10, guys, and you start seeing some difficulties in Render token. That will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. But hopefully, we see Render token make an attempt for new all-time highs, and new all-time highs for Render token will mean more than a 250% pump from where we're currently trading, which is possible, which can happen very quickly. I strongly believe we're in the ending phase of a market cycle, and we met some coins already in the new bear market. Yes, Render token might still pump, maybe to get to new all-time highs. Yes, Bitcoin is still trading close to new all-time highs, but guys, remember, this time it's not different. You're supposed to buy low, you're supposed to sell high. We have been in a bull cycle for over 2 years. The bull market doesn't last forever. At some point in time, we'll enter the bearish phase of the market, where you see huge dumps to gobbling down. And right now, if you look at Render's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, since March of 2024, Render token has been underperforming against Bitcoin. It had a rally, almost pumped to new all-time highs in March of 2024 against Bitcoin, but since then, Render token has been down only against Bitcoin, losing around 82% of its value. Altcoins can be very volatile. When you hold them, when they're pumping, you feel like the wisest person in the world. We saw Render token from June of 2022 outperforming Bitcoin by more than 1,100%. But since March of 2024, market participants were bullish on it, when Render token was in all-time highs, we have seen it dumping to Goblin Town. And I'll be shocked if right now, as market participants get bearish again, we see a reversal in price action. Maybe not new all-time highs this time around, but I expect render token to at least pump by maybe 100 or 200% against Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at render token's performance against Ethereum, similar price action. We saw it pumping from the bottom of the bear market, and when we got to May of 2024, render token set new all-time highs against Ethereum, and since then it has not been able to rally back to the all-time highs. We have seen it consolidating. I still expect one more pump for render token, and that one more pump could see it outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Historically, that's what happens at the end of a market cycle, and I believe we're getting very, very close to the end of market cycle. Render token's market cap sits at the $1.99 billion level, with a fully diluted market cap of $2.48 billion. Render token's all-time high happened on the 17th of March 2024, traded for as high as $13.6. Right now it's down 72% from that all-time high. So you want to get some render token for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Radium, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. You can get some render tokens right there. Render Network is a leading provider of centralized GPU-based rendering solution. Realizing the digital creation process, the network connects nodes operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power with artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and application to the cloud. If you look at render tokens market cap, currently sitting around the $2 billion level, it has gotten to an all-time highs of around $5.6 billion in December of 2024, and that might be a huge red flag. We saw it getting to new all-time highs first in March of 2024, made an attempt for all-time highs again in December of 2024. We saw a lot of bearish divergence in that all-time highs. We saw the market cap getting to new all-time highs. The RSI couldn't get to new all-time highs, and historically, that has been a telltale sign of the rally coming to an end. So in case render token doesn't set new all-time highs, we can look back at December of 2024 as the top, but I believe we might be very lucky and see one more pump to the upside. There might be an uptrust after distribution. There might be a last point of supply, but the next rally will be a good rally to sell off for some sweet profit, and it can come anytime soon, knowing how volatile the cryptocurrency market is. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you buying more render right now? Do you believe it can rally back to new all-time highs? Do you believe in a recovery for render token? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.